All right. Sunday, April 20th, I traded the Asia session. Um, and Not really happy with my funded performance here. This is Apex 300K funded accounts. Yeah, I think I'm kind of losing it. I think we have to step away from my fundeds for a little bit, maybe, or just kind of, I need to reset my mindset for sure before I try to start a trade again. Anyways, we had this big move down on NQ, gap lower, came back into the gap, or actually didn't yet, but we saw price kind of inverse this 30-minute um, fair value gap, SIBI lower. And so I was looking for lower prices, but as I was, price kind of started chopping on me. I should have known. I mean, late into Asia session. It was like the last hour and already big move down. I should have expected that price would just basically chop me up. I entered um, as price swept this and then made an inverse here. Um, and I, saw price basically pull against me, but then came back. And so I was assuming that, okay, that's a pretty good pullback. I can understand it's deep, but we'll maybe see price start taking out these lows. And so I added, hoping to, you know, take profit and then kind of move to break even after that. And price kind of pulled against me, and I couldn't hold. I saw this candle, and basically it kind of popped up, and I just said I had told myself in my mind if it closed at or above, or kind of went above the mean threshold of this inverse fair value gap. I think I was on the 1 minute. Yeah, I was at the 1 minute here. So like once we closed up here, I was just like, okay, I don't think this is gonna hold anymore. Uh, did not realize that this was here. Could have held, um, but it was not a good trade anyways. So I ended up closing here for a loss, and then I traded gold as well, and I totally screwed it up. Gold was pulling back, went into OTE of this range here, um, and swept these lows. So I was like, okay, this looks great. And I would have. This is actually taking. This is I was looking at this as I was taking NQ, but I took NQ's momentum, thinking, okay, that was working for me. Had I taken this trade, I would have been a lot happier. Probably would have taken some profits there before it pulled against me. But I ended up taking NQ, tried to capitalize on this LRLR, or what I supposedly thought was LRLR, and got in on the 15 second on this, which is not clean at all. And entered on three minis, thinking that my risk was a lot less, and I actually got a lot of slippage entering. So that, and then it just kind of went against me completely. I was hoping that it would soup because of this fair value gap, and instead it blew through it. Basically, execution was very, very poor here. Fear of losing uh, and FOMO, everything is working against me, and I am not in the right mindset to be trading these funded. And yeah, so took another big hit today. That's two big hits for me in a row. And yeah, so just definitely not feeling good about it. Um, I feel like I could have, like, if I wasn't trying to trade one plan with these Apex fundeds, I could have, I could have capitalized on the way down. Um, It's just that it didn't fit my it didn't fit my model. And so yeah, I just kind of a bummer because I'm just this is the move I wanted to like kind of catch, but or not really actually. I was trying to go higher, but I just yeah, I'm trying to catch everything and it's obviously working against me and yeah. Anyways, I need to get back to basics. So I need to journal the heck out of this. I mean, I already know what I did wrong. It's about it's about resetting my mind for abundance. I'm acting like these are the last trades and I can't miss these moves and I am totally in the wrong mindset, so I need to reset that. Okay.